Hey, how are you? Second video of the day. I am unboxing the Fuji 50mm f2 lens. Pretty excited about this. I've been shooting a lot on the kit lens, the 18 to 55, and I find myself going to that 55-ish range. So I thought I would get this and just see what it's like to have a bit more of a prime lens with a wider aperture. I'll just show you the box there, and yeah, let's open it up. So it won't be too exciting, but I will take a few pictures after I put this on, so I'll show you at the end of the video as well. So we have a little hood, probably like a pouch, I mean, not a hood. Some instructions. Have a look at these in depth in a minute. And what have we got here? Oh, it's a little bit, maybe a little bit bigger than the, that's it. I'll take this off, it's going to be roughly. Now that I've got the bags out of the way. Oh, it's so cute. Anyway, I'll show you the inside. What's the thread? It's 46mm filter. And nothing too exciting there. And these are weather sealed. So these F2s, I think most of them, all of them. So yeah, that's pretty cool because you can take it out and it doesn't matter if it gets a little bit of rain on it. There's the weather sealing sticker. And that's the hood. Let's just see. Have we got to take the... What am I doing? Oh my God, embarrassing. Wrong side. How do we click on? There we go. So that's with the hood. And what else have we got here? Just the little manual instructions, etc. And warranty, I think that is. And let's have a look there. Comes with a little lens pouch, I guess. Yep. So it's got a little pocket there. And you can wrap it up and put it to bed. Alright, I will now put it onto the camera. Actually, I can put it on now while we're at the video. Sorry, a bit hard to do this mid-air. Here we go. There we go. Looks pretty cool. So I will go and take a few snaps. Maybe I'll do a little video. I'll see how I go. And then I'll put them at the end of this so you can see what it's like. And yeah, that's it. I've suddenly gone not chatty. I'm just excited to have this in my hand finally. It's been a few days in the post before it arrived. So yeah, I'll leave you here and let me know what you think of the lens, and we'll chat in the comments. Thumbs up if you like the video, it always helps. And subscribe if you want to see more from me. All right, bye.